everyone, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Anini Auliazara. Study ID is 23130533169 from the Elementary School Teacher Education Study Program. In this video, I will present an analysis of an offline learning video conducted in grade 3 at SDN 1 Gunung Sari for the subject of Science and Social Study, or IPAS, focusing on the topic of metamorphosis and life cycle of living things. I will explain the analysis chronologically from the beginning to the end of the lesson to make the flow easier to follow. Okay, the first, at minute 5, the teacher conducts a diagnostic assessment using a simple checklist set to identify student prior knowledge about animal transformation. This was a good strategy because it allowed the teacher to understand students' initial understanding before entering the main lesson. Then, at minute 8 and 22 seconds, the teacher played a YouTube video using a projector as an introduction to the topic. The use of audiovisual media successful attracted student attention and increased engagement for the beginning. Next, at minute 11 and 25 seconds, the teacher used print visual media in the form of animal picture attached to the whiteboard. However, at minute 12 and 29 seconds, a limitation appeared when the teacher asked, "Can you observe and tell me what animal this is?" Some students respond unclearly because the images were too small to be seen by students sitting at the back of the classroom. To improve learning effectiveness, the static images could be displayed through the projector so that all students can observe them clearly. At minute 14 and 17 seconds, when students successfully answered how bamboo reproduces, the teacher gave positive reinforcement by saying, "Yes, correct, true shots," and connect the concept to local wisdom by mentioning bamboo sold as food ingredients. This strategy effectively linked science concept to studies daily life. Later, at minute 15 and 16 seconds, students and the teachers song called the 4 steps of complete metamorphosis. This activity helps students remember the concepts in a more enjoyable way. The main point that needs further attention appears at minute 18 and 1 second. During the explanation of frog metamorphosis, the teacher explained that tadpoles develop into like topless. Then their tails gradually disappear until they become young frogs. However, at minute 18 and 41 seconds, the teacher concluded that frogs have 5 development stages and categories them as complete metamorphosis. From a biology perspective, complete metamorphosis is generally simplified into 4 stages, and presenting frog development as 5 stages may create confusion among students, especially because earlier they had already learned and sung about the 4 stages of complete metamorphosis. Therefore, there is a slight inconsistency between the information delivered through the song and the verbal explanation. After the explanation section at minute 20 and 55 seconds, students worked on a workshop activity involving cutting and pasting. This kinesthetic activity encouraged students to learn through direct practice and movement. Finally, at minute 26 and 16 seconds after group presentation, the teacher gave physical reward and verbal expression to the most active group. This approach effectively increased student motivation and self-confidence. Overall, this learning video from SDN 1 Gunung Sari demonstration an interactive and student-centered offline learning practice. Starting from diagnosis assessment, varied learning media, and positive feedback, many aspects were implemented effectively. However, greater attention is still needed regarding the scientific accuracy of biological concepts, especially in explaining the state of frog metamorphosis. That concludes my critical analysis. Thank you for attention. Bye-bye.
I just had to let you know you're